Want to know how to connect your GitHub account in Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can just simply connect your Lovable AI account to GitHub. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, and once you have done that, here you should be seeing various options. Now, on the top right side, you should be seeing your name as well. Just simply hover on or select your name. So if you don't see it, you have to log in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the top right side, once you have clicked it, here you should be seeing settings on the bottom right below credits. Just simply select it. So once you select that settings right here, you should be seeing various options. Now here you should be seeing integrations, and you can see two options, Supabase and GitHub. Since we are just connecting to GitHub, just simply select GitHub right here, and here you should be seeing add your GitHub account. So just simply select on connect to GitHub, and it should open up a new window where you can just simply sign into GitHub, and then you should be good to go. And after that, you should be connected with Lovable AI and connect with all users as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.